We're going to spend a couple of minutes getting to know Shapr 3D before we begin designing. So this will be the opening screen that you'll see. You can see here my recent projects, and if we click here we can see all of my projects and we can scroll through and look at those. It's important to name your projects. I've got too many called untitled, so I really do need to sort that out at some point. To do a new, but actually if you want to learn about Shapr, a great thing is to come in here. There are millions of tutorials built right into the account, so you can see them straight away. So I'm going to click here to start a new project. So click on project, click project here for new project, and that'll open up a new project, and we're able to design from within here. In fact, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to go into one of my existing ones. So this is a year 7 project. This is a candle holder made to look like a toy, look like a car. So if we click on the top, you can see that. So to move around within Shapr, you need to use this view cube. If you click on any face, it will take you to look at that face. And then if you double click, it will always take you home. If you click and hold it, you're able to see the object from a variety of angles, from any angle you like. But it's worth remembering that just by simply double clicking, that'll always take you back home. So if you feel lost, click that and back home you go. Depending on what you're doing in Shapr, these menus will change. And anywhere where there's a little triangle means there's additional things hidden underneath that. And some of those we'll be using over these projects. There are 2 environments in Shapr. We're currently in the modeling environment, but we can also go to the visualization environment and render with materials, so to see how the object would look if made from different materials. So I'm going to go back here to modeling. I'm going to click on items. Now here I've got all the items used to make my object. So I can switch off the bodies like this and one by one switch them off. And I can also switch on all the sketches that I've made, so different parts of it here that have been used to make the drawing. But I've switched the sketches off because it can become quite confusing if you have all the sketches and all the bodies on together. So I'll just switch my sketches back off, switch my bodies back on, and we can see the complete drawing.